you ready? Yes, you are. Crowd, are you ready? I ask that you don't touch the glass. 2 reasons. Fingerprints are terrible to clean, and if the bot hits the glass, it's gonna hurt. Go! Crawl, that's not your enemy. Oh! Parts are coming off from something. It looks like BadBreath's missing a tooth. Still okay though. KRAWL with a vicious undercut. BadBreath still in it. Weapon and wheel, everything working. Robot versus robot. That other tooth is coming off. Give him the weapon. You got it. There it is. Sparks are flying. Ooh. Uh-oh. KRAWL's weapon. Sounds like it slowed down. Oh no, that's not KRAWL. That's BadBreath's weapon and stop. Looks like a big shaft. Maybe turn the weapon off and on again. 2 minutes left in this match, and the weapon's working again. Oh, and it's not. Don't tease us. Little chunks of the tire coming off. Clean up on aisle 7. Ow. BadBreath refuses to give up, hoping that KRAWL may break himself and even the playing field just a bit. Ooh, that arena will slow his weapon down. Good call. This match is about halfway over. Who's it going to be? Oh. BadBreath is not moving too much. Those wheels are about had it. Can he move? He's still got somewhat of a controlled bit of movement. He's not going to play dead. It's not going down like that. 1 minute, 10 seconds. Oh, hitting the weapon. Good driving. Still got a lot of spark in him. 50 seconds left. Can he break the weapon on KRAWL, or will he be trimmed down to size? Selling the foam chunks. Tasty foam chunks. Ooh. I'm guessing the backside is not what you want to give him. 30 seconds left. Can KRAWL nibble enough foam off the tire to put an end to this? Or will BadBreath sit still and save it? Oh! Another hit. Uh-oh. That's it. It doesn't look like he's got much movement. There's only 10 seconds left of the match. 5, 4, 3, and the weapons are good. 2, 1. Give it up for both drivers. I can't believe BadBreath refused to quit like that. That's amazing. KRAWL, deadly machine. Glad that was his inaugural run you all got to see. Brand new robot.
Yeah, that was you got a hell of a